What is Ayurvedic medicine? Ayurveda is considered to be the oldest healing science, having originated in India more than 5,000 years ago, and is often called the mother of all healing. In Sanskrit, Ayurveda means the science of life. The principles of many of the natural healing systems now familiar in the West have their roots in Ayurveda, such as homeopathy. Ayurveda uses medicines made from plants and minerals to restore balance in the body. It is a holistic approach to maintaining health, which also includes massage and panchakarma, therapies which aim to remove toxins in the body by using massage and herbal oils. Modern medicine aims to treat the symptoms of a condition in isolation, whereas Ayurveda is holistic in nature. It looks at the patient as a whole, trying to identify the primary cause. By looking at past health issues, diet, lifestyle and family health, the Ayurveda practitioner tries to improve not only the current problem but to improve future health. Ayurveda is not a quick fix or a one-size-fits-all approach to health. It is unique for everyone, as it aims to make the patient understand his unique qualities not just for today but for every stage of his life. Ayurveda focuses on disease prevention and encourages the maintenance of health through close attention to balance in one's life. It helps people understand how to achieve mind, body and consciousness balance in respect to their own individual constitution, and how to make lifestyle changes to bring about and maintain this balance. It includes specific dietary and lifestyle practices with daily and seasonal routines, as well as herbs, therapies, exercise and yoga. When there is an imbalance, we may initially feel unwell even though there is nothing wrong with us. If this imbalance is not corrected, it may lead to disease. Therefore, it is important to re-establish balance as soon as possible. 3 principal energies of the body. In Ayurveda, it is believed that there are 3 basic types of energy, or doshas, which are present in a person's body: vata, pitta, and kapha. The quality and quantity of these 3 energies fluctuate according to the time of day, diet, seasons, and several other factors. Several factors, such as diet, emotional state, seasons, weather, etc., can disrupt this balance, which can in turn cause an imbalance. Once these factors are understood, appropriate actions can be taken to minimize their effects and re-establish balance. Balance is health, whereas imbalance is disease. The 3 basic types of energy, or doshas, are vata, pitta and kapha. Vata is the energy of movement, pitta is the energy of digestion or metabolism, and kapha is the energy of lubrication and structure. In Ayurveda, it is believed that disease is caused by an excess or deficiency of vata, pitta or kapha, or by the presence of toxins. The body, mind and consciousness all work together in order to maintain balance, and so you must understand how vata, pitta and kapha work together in order to learn how to balance them. Similar to traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurveda sees our bodies as a microcosm of our surrounding world and universe, which is affected by the energies of the 5 great elements: space, air, fire, water and earth. Our 5 senses serve as the portals between the internal and external realms, as the energies of the 5 great elements affect our internal balance. Ayurveda groups these 5 elements into the 3 basic types of energy that are present in everybody and everything. Vata, pitta and kapha are combinations and permutations of these 5 elements that manifest as patterns present in all creation. Vata is the energy of movement, composed of space and air. It controls breathing, blinking, muscle and tissue movement, and all movements in the body. When in balance, vata promotes creativity and flexibility, whereas when there is imbalance, it results in fear and anxiety. Pitta is the energy of metabolism and digestion, composed of fire and water. It controls digestion, absorption, metabolism and body temperature. When in balance, Pitta promotes understanding and intelligence, whereas when there is imbalance it results in anger, hatred and jealousy. Kapha is the energy that forms the body's structure, e.g. bones, muscles, tendons composed of earth and water. It supplies the water for all bodily parts and systems, lubricating joints, moisturizing the skin, and strengthening the immune system. When in balance, Kapha promotes love, calmness and forgiveness, whereas when there is imbalance it results in greed and envy. The Ayurvedic practitioner takes a full history and carefully assesses the patient using various techniques. Various measures can be taken to correct an imbalance, such as lifestyle changes, diet advice, herbs, and, in some cases, a cleansing program, called panchakarma, may be suggested to help the body remove toxins. Summary. In summary, Ayurveda addresses all aspects of life, the body, mind and spirit. It recognizes that each of us is unique, each responds differently to the many aspects of life, each possesses different strengths and weaknesses. Through insight, understanding and experience, Ayurveda presents a vast wealth of information on the relationships between causes and their effects, both immediate and subtle, for each unique individual. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And join us for our next video.